I will show you the step-by-step process of converting 45 over 60 into percentage. So let's use continuous division method to simplify 45 over 60. 45 and 60 both end in either 5 or 0, so they are multiples of 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9, and 60 divided by 5 is 12. And then 9 and 12 are both multiples of 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, 45 over 60 is 3 over 4. Now let's copy down 3 over 4, and how can we make the denominator 100? So let's divide 100 by 4, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 25. And then 3 times 25 is equal to 75. And 4 times 25 is equal to 100. And because the denominator is 100, the numerator will become our percentage. So 75 over 100 is simply 75%, and that is our final answer.